Hey guys, welcome back to another video. On today's video I'll be painting my brake calipers. If you saw my last videos, I already replaced the brake pads and the rotors, but at that time I was thinking about to paint my brake calipers, but it was a really hot day and I just quit. So I will paint today because I want to replace these ugly wheels for a new ones or a used ones that I'm trying to restore. Probably I will remove the background sound because that is guys working right here. As you know, I have to work on a park, on a public park, because I don't have my shop, I don't have a space, so I have to work right here, and that's background could sounds annoying for you, so I will remove it. Don't forget to click the thumbs up, that will help me a lot to continue to make these kind of videos. And let's try to paint these brake calipers and give a better looking when the new alloy wheels come.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
So guys, that worker just shut off the machines. I can talk now, so let's apply the last coat, and it's looking really good.
I'm going through hell. I fake like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing else.
So guys, I'm just gonna unmask the brake calipers and then I'm gonna show you the result. And why don't you try at home? This is really easy, this is really cheap. Like you can paint, I don't know, maybe 10 brake calipers. The last one cost me €5 and something. This cost me, I don't remember really well, but I think 6 and something. You can paint like 10 with this. I still have mine from the last project, and I break brake calipers, brake drums, and I still have a little bit on the can. So this is really cheap. Try by yourself at home. This definitely gives a better look into your car when you have wheels, of course, not like what I have right now. Take a look at my other videos. We have been working on this Volkswagen Polo 6N2. Don't forget the thumbs up. See you next time. I'm just gonna unmask and show you the end result and do the other side, of course. Let's see the end result, and as usual, see you soon. Stay tuned.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, 'cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain.